Do you know how much the world's most expensive sari is? And do you know how much the world's most expensive wedding was? And I am sure hardly you know what is the most expensive fish in the world. Then friends, we are going to tell the facts about all these facts in just 5 minutes. But before that, we request to you watch the entire video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Comment below on your favorite fact about this video. Friends, do you know that Chennai Silk produced the most expensive sari in the world by reproduction of paintings of Ravi Verma, the famous painter of India, which has a real cost of 39,31,627 rupees. That is around rupees 40 lakh. You will also be surprised to know this, but do you know why these saris are so expensive? Let's know what the reality of this sari is. The Guinness Book of World Record has awarded this sari the title of World's Most Expensive Sari. This sari is made by the weavers of the Chennai Silk. Regarding the world's most expensive sari, it is written in the Guinness Book that the world's most expensive sari is sold for 39,31,627 rupees on January 5, 2008. It is made by Chennai Silk. 11 paintings of Ravi Raja Verma have been designed on this sari. The main image on this sari is Ravi Raja Verma's famous painting Galaxy of Music. It has taken 4,760 to make this sari. Friends, the world's most expensive wedding took place in Russia. Let me tell you that the oil tycoon Mikhail spent about 6,600 crore on his son's wedding, which is considered to be the thickest amount ever. This wedding is also being called the world's first $1 billion wedding. Let us tell you what was the special in this marriage. On this special occasion, 28-year-old Saeed Gustarev tied the knot with 20-year-old Khadija Uzakhova. At this unique wedding, the walls were decorated with flowers as well as huge cake of Navkhand. On the other hand, the sky was dazzled by fireworks. Hollywood's popular pop singer Jennifer Lopez was also invited to entertain the guests at this special wedding. Friends, it would be surprising to know that once men too wore high heels like women. Talking about the history of high heel shoes, it is necessary to mention Louis XIV of France. He was the great ruler, but he was only 5 foot 4 inch in the length. He filled it with 10-inch heel shoes. The heels of his shoes often depicted wars he had won. By 1740, men had stopped using high heels. 50 years later, high heel shoes also disappeared from women's feet. Friends, this is the most expensive fish in the world, which weighs 200 kg. This fish, named bluefin tuna, was bought by Kiyoshi Kimura, president of Jinmai restaurant, for $1,17,000. If you compare the price of this fish with the Indian currency, then its price is rupees 77 lakhs. That means you can buy an expensive car and a big house for rupees 77 lakhs. Demand for this fish is the highest in Japan. And how much people like it? It is known from this that only 80% of Japanese people eat this fish. The owner of this restaurant who bought this 200 kg fish was himself, and he is very happy to buy this fish. The owner of the restaurant who bought this fish has decided to serve it in his restaurant and consume by himself. At the same time, because of the price of the fish, it has been discussed all over the world. Friends, sandalwood is generally considered to be the most expensive, which costs between 5 and 6,000 rupees per kg. But you will be surprised to know that there is such a wood in the world, which is many more expensive than the sandalwood. Before buying it, even the biggest rich will think twice or 4 times. So let us tell you about the wood today. The name of this wood is African blackwood. It is the one of the most valuable materials ever. The cost of just 1 kilogram of this wood is more than 8,000 pounds or more than 7 lakh rupees. At this time, you can buy a luxury car. African blackwood trees are found less frequently on Earth than the other trees. This means that they are also quite rare. Their height is about 25 to 40 feet. So friends, how are these facts? Hope you like this video. Then you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And do not forget to like and share as much as you can. Goodbye.